So, good
Good
morning
morning,
everyone.
everyone.
Today
Today
I
I
am
am
gonna
gonna
show
show
you
you
how to
how to
design
design
a
a
simple
simple
login
login
form
form
using
using
Figma.
Figma.
So,
So
first
first
is
is
uh,
uh,
let's
let's
create
create
a
a
new
new
design
design
file.
file.
So,
So
let's
let's
wait.
wait.
So,
So
after
after
it,
it,
let's
let's
go
go
to
to
the
the
frame
frame
to
to
choose.
choose.
You
You
can
can
choose
choose
any
any
type of
type of
design or
design or
any
any
type
type
of
of
phone
phone
prototype you
prototype you
want.
want.
But
But
for
for
me,
me,
I'm
I'm
just
just
gonna
gonna
create
create
a
a
simple
simple
frame,
frame.
and
And
the
the
width
width
is
is
400
400
since
since
it's in
it's
the
in the
instruction.
instruction.
Then
Then
let's
let's
rename
rename
it
it
into
into
uh,
uh,
login
login
form
form
design.
design.
So
So
next
next
is,
is,
since we're
since we're
already
already
done with
done
our
with our
frame,
frame,
let's
let's
now
now
proceed
proceed
to
to
add
add
uh,
uh,
the
the
sizing
sizing
and
and
the
the
spacing and
spacing and
margin
margin
first.
first.
So the
So the
first
first
one,
one,
the
the
weight
weight
is
is
um,
um,
32.
32.
So
So
let's
let's
put
put
it
it
into
into
32.
32.
There.
There.
Then
Then
let's
let's
copy
copy
and
and
put
put
it
it
to the
to the
bottom.
bottom.
Next.
Next.
So we
So we
already
already
have
have
the
the
size
size
for
for
the
the
top.
top.
Next
Next
is
is
the
the
size
size
for
for
the
the
height,
height,
which
which
is
is
40
40
for the
for the
margin, I
margin, I
mean.
mean.
There.
There.
Oh,
Oh,
okay,
okay,
let's
let's
put it
put
to
it to
40.
40.
There. Then,
Then,
same
same
as
as
the
the
first one,
first
let's
one, let's
copy
copy
and
and
it cross.
cross.
So,
So,
so
so
after
after
that,
that,
so we
so
know
we
the
know the
sizes. So
sizes. So
next
next
is
is
we're
we're
gonna
gonna
um
um
put
put
the
the
other
other
things
things
to
to
log
to
in
log in
form
form
design.
design.
So
So
let's
let's
first is
first
the
is the
size
size
of
of
the
the
uh, the
the
logo
logo we have
we
we
want to
want
put.
to put.
So
So
wait,
wait,
this the
this
size
the
is
size is
56.
56.
So
So
again,
again,
it's
it's
56.
56.
So let's
So let's
change the
change the
color.
color.
So
So
uh,
uh,
hindi
hindi
tayo
tayo
uh,
uh,
we
we
want
want
the
the
yeah.
yeah.
So, so
So
56 for the
56 for
size
the
of the
size of the
logo.
logo.
Next
Next
is
is
the
the
size
size
for
for
the
the
text. So
text.
it's
So it's
32. So
32.
let's
So
put
let's put
another
another
rectangle. So
rectangle.
let's
So
put
let's put
the
the
size
size
of
of
32.
32.
Let's
Let's
change the
change the
color.
color.
And the 32.
32.
Then
Then
again, let's
again,
put
let's put
another
another
triangle
triangle
and
and
the size
the
of
size of
20.
20.
And this.
This.
So
So
next
next
is
is
so
so
first
first
next
next
is the
is the
size
size
for
for
the
the
margin or
margin or
spacing of
spacing of
our
our
text.
text.
So let's
So
put
let's
it
put
at
it in
20.
20.
So this
So this
time let's
time let's
color
color
it.
it.
Let's
Let's
choose the
choose the
color it
color
to
it to
white.
white.
Since
Since
later,
later,
since it's
since it's
spacing
spacing
and
and
later,
later,
if
if
we are
we are
done
done
to
to
put
put
all the
all the
designs here,
designs
the
here, the
text and
text and
logo,
logo,
we
we
will
will
change it
change it
to the
to the
background into
background into
white, and
white. And
uh,
uh,
the
the
only
only
thing that
thing that
uh,
uh,
will
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 be
be
put here is the design, and the background is white. So this is the spacing for that. Then next is, let's go to the another the email name. Let's copy and paste and put it, and let's change to color. Then next. Okay, so now let's stop there, and let's start designing. Let's start putting all the design one. So first is the logo. And then let's search pinwheel. Put this logo for as frame. So after that, here as you can see, have the logo. And let's delete this. So up to 56. So let's put it at 56. So there. So we put first the logo, then the text. Let's put text here. And welcome to Spark. Cute. So let's change the font style to Poppins, and wait. Let's change it to Poppins. Then put it semi-bold, and let's maybe 14. And here. So since we already add the logo and the text, so let's add more. Let's continue to add and more. Please. Please log in using logo. So let's change the color to black since we cannot see it. Okay. So where is it? I'm gonna put it here and this. So here. So it's too big for me, so let's put it at 10. Okay. So then next is so it's already it's up space. Then the email. So let's put email here. And let's type email. Okay. There. So that's our first. Then let's continue adding. Okay, let's turn this into white. So we're ready. I know. Let's turn that later. Next is the input box. It's 44. So let's create another TNT box. So let's put it in 44. And let's change the color into something like this. We'll change this later. So next is the space. So let's put another margin spacing is 216 and put it here. Same as we did earlier, we're gonna change into color white. So we know that it's a space and not input box or something that we can add text or a logo. So next is we're gonna put the password, which is size of uh, 20, 20, okay, 20. So here's 20. So let's copy that and put it right here. So after that, we're gonna change the color into a different one. So we know that it is another input box or another we need to rename later. Next is the input box, which is size of 24. 24. Okay, let's create another rectangle for this rectangle. Then 24. And same as I always same as the first thing we did to the other ones, let's change the color to a different color so we know that we will put later a logo, icon, or a text there. So next is another spacing, which is 16. Let's copy this and just the same thing, put it under. Then since we already did that, let's stop and add the text or the icons we want to add. So next is let's add the here. Let's set example sample@gmail.com. So let's put it sample@gmail.com. So we'll put it right there. And since we have an icon, so we're gonna search user icon PNG here. So we're not gonna save it as image or download it. We're gonna copy the image and back here and paste it here. So next thing is we're gonna edit and right here. So we're gonna size it here. No, there. Next thing is so the next one is password. So here. Actually, we can copy this. So just save it. Forgot the password. And let's put it over there. Then let's copy this one. And put it right here. And let's change the password. And this one. there. So then let's color blue. So later we're gonna change the color of the text, but for now let's play it like that. Then we're gonna add a line under. Okay, zero. And we're gonna adjust it and put it right there. So like I said, we're gonna change it later, but for now let's stay it like that. Then so let's search here. Dock icon PNG. Let's copy this one and again place it right here and resize it how you want it. It depends on you personally. So I personally like it to be like this. So let's resize it more. So let's zoom it so we can clearly see. So say this one. So since we're ready, add that one. So let's copy this and paste. Sorry. Let's copy. Sorry. Let's copy this. There. Just put it like this. Just to see it. So then put password. Okay, that's the thing. But right. Then next is we're gonna search icon PNG. No. Okay, search those PNG. So let's find something we like. So let's see this and copy, then just size it and place it here. Then so resize it and there. So now since we're done with the another text and text and
and
icon we
we
added.
added.
Next, we're
Next, we're
gonna
gonna
put
put
the next
next
spacing
spacing
or
or
and
and
margin of.
margin of.
So
So
let's
let's
say
say
since we're
since
gonna
we're gonna
here
here, we
part
part
there,
there.
let's say
Let's say
20.
20.
So
So
back
back
there,
there,
and
and
find
find
20.
20.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
copy
copy
that
that
and
and
put
put
it
it
right
right
there at
there
the
at the
bottom
bottom.
side.
Side.
Okay. Then let's
Then
gonna
let's gonna
change the
change the
color to
color to
know
know
that it
that it
is
is
that we
that we
can
can
put
put
something in
something
there
in there
later.
later.
Okay.
Okay.
Next
Next
is
is
um,
um,
another
another
spacing
spacing
for
for
16.
16.
It's
It's
here.
here.
Copy
Copy
that
that
and put
and
it
put it
right
right
there.
there.
Right. Space.
Space.
And
And
remain is
remain is
as
as
white
white
since
since
like I
like I
said
said
earlier, it
earlier, it
is the
is the
spacing or
spacing
the
or the
margin
margin
of
of
our
our
sign.
sign.
So
So
next
next
is we're
is
gonna
we're gonna
put
put
the
the
login
login
button, which
button,
is
which is
the
the
size
size
of
of
48.
48.
So
So
next,
next,
ano,
ano,
we're gonna create
create
the
the
rectangle
rectangle
size
size
of
of
it
it
to
to
48.
48.
48. So let's
So let's
say
say
48.
48.
Okay,
Okay,
big as
big as
that.
that.
Wait,
Wait,
let's
let's
check.
check.
548.
548.
Okay. So
So
48, let's
48,
change
let's
the
change the
color so
color so
we
we
know
know
uh, color
color
is
is
later.
later.
So
So
first let's
first, let's
change
change
that
that
to
into
the violet
violet
one.
one.
So
So
then on.
on.
So
So
that's
that's
indicate
indicate
the
the
color
color
of
of
our
our
um
um
login
login
button.
button.
So
So
next
next
is
is
we're gonna
we're gonna
continue
continue
to
to
put
put
the
the
other
other
things.
things.
So
Which
it's
is
already
already
okay.
okay.
Spacing
Spacing
again.
again.
I'm gonna
Gonna
find the
find the
20 for
20 for
spacing
spacing
and
and
copy
copy
that
that
and
and
put it
put it
right
right
below.
below.
There, there.
There, there.
So that
So that
indicates
indicates
spacing. Then
spacing. Then
next, we're
next we're
gonna
gonna
put
put
the
the
size of
size of
another
another
text
text
box.
box.
Oh no,
Oh no.
which
Which
is,
is,
if I
if I
remember
remember
correctly,
correctly,
it's
it's
24.
24.
So
So
let's
let's
change the
change
size
the
into
size into
24
24
and
and
adjust it.
adjust it.
Then
Then
change the
change the
color
color
into
into
the
the
different
different
one so
one so
we
we
know
know
what to
how
put
to
there
put there
later.
later.
So
So
let's click
let's click
the
the
and
and
change.
change.
So this
So
is
this is
the
the
child
child
size.
size.
There
There
and
and
adjust
adjust
this.
this.
Next
Next
is
is
another
another
spacing.
spacing.
So
So
let's
let's
put
put
another
another
spacing.
spacing.
It's 20. Let's
20.
put
Let's
it
put it
under
under
here. Let's change it since we cannot saw Next
Next
is
is
the
the
continue
continue
with
with
Google
Google
button
button
for sign
for
up.
sign up.
Okay,
Okay,
48. So
48. So
let's
let's
copy
copy
this
this
and put
and put
it.
it
Um, wait, there.
there.
And let's click
Click
again.
again.
Again, this
And this
one.
one.
And click
And click
this.
this.
Actually,
Actually,
again.
then
Okay. Then, oops.
oops.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we'll
Then
change
we'll
the
change the
color
color
into
into
no,
no,
think
this,
this.
this,
That.
that.
Then
Then
another
another.
the
The
spacing is
spacing is
12.
12.
So let's
So
add
let's add
another.
another.
Okay, we'll
Okay,
change it
change it
to
to
12
12.
and
And
change the
change the
color
color
into
into
white
white.
since it's
Since
a
it's a
spacing.
spacing.
Next
Next
is
is
the
the
continue to
continue to
Apple
Apple
sign
sign
up,
up.
sign in.
Sign in.
Okay,
Okay.
then
Then
change
change
into
into
let's say it's
let's
Apple
Apple
since it's
since
dark
dark
like that.
like that.
Next,
Next,
we'll
we'll
change
change.
then
Then
another
another
spacing which
spacing which
is
is
24.
24.
So
So
let's
let's
add
add
another
another
spacing
spacing
here
here
and
and
change
change
into
into
224
224.
and is
Is
there
there
white,
white?
right?
Right.
So
So
that's
that's
the
the
another
another
spacing.
spacing.
And
And
now
now
the
the
last
last
one we
one we
add is
add is
still
still
mm,
mm,
24. So
24. So
let's
let's
copy
copy
this and
this and
just
just
change the
change the
color.
color.
Okay,
Okay.
let's
Let's
change the
change the
color
color
into
into
something
something
like that.
like that.
And
And
yes,
yes,
since
since
it
it
should
should
be
be
32,
32,
40 I
40 I
mean.
mean.
Oh,
Oh,
the
the
last
last
one
one
is
is
40.
40.
Oh, I
Oh, I
didn't
didn't
know
know
that.
that.
So
So
let's
let's
change
change
this
this
to
to
40.
40.
Okay,
Okay.
and
And
let's
let's
add
add
that.
that.
Okay, actually,
Actually,
let's put
let's
it
put it
there.
there.
Then
Then
it's
it's
okay.
okay.
So
So
that's the
that's the
size.
size.
So
So
now,
now,
since we're
since
really
we're really
done with the
done with the
spacing
spacing
or
or
and the
and the
margin of
margin of
our
our
design,
design,
let's
let's
continue to
continue to
add
add
the
the
text
text
and
and
icons
icons
of
of
the
the
design
design
we
we
just
just
added.
added.
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
remember.
remember.
So
So
here,
here,
so
so
let's put
let's
it.
put it.
No, no,
No,
no.
no,
Ah,
no.
yes.
Ah, yes.
Okay,
Okay.
let's
Let's
put it
put it
right
right
here.
here.
This
This
one.
one.
So
So
first,
first,
let's
let's
add
add
another
another
one of
one of
these.
these.
So it
So it
depends on
depends on
you
you
what
on what
sizes you
sizes you
want.
want.
So
So
let's
let's
say
say
I
I
want
want
this
this
size.
size.
So
So
um, let's
let's
change
change
that
that
color
color
into
into
the
the
blue
blue
since
since
not
not
really that
really that
dark
dark
blue,
blue,
but
but
yep,
yep,
that
that
would
would
do.
do.
And
And
let's
let's
change the
change the
corner
corner
radius
radius
to
to
I don't know, something like that. Then after that, let's put the icon. My mouse is kinda acting weird, so bear with me. Next thing is let's find the check icon. No, we don't want that. Let's find check white icon. Let's find one that matches. Let's hope this one is no. Here. Wait, actually just one. Let's try this and copy. Then back at the Figma and paste it. So let's paste it. Wait. So resize it to our design size. So we're gonna and yes. So there. So let's copy this and paste it right there. So just copy that. Came back to that and okay, not that much, but there. And let's say remember me. So after that, next is gonna put the login. So let's copy this again and click right there. Pop it up. Oh no. Okay, let's find it lang. Just put it there. Then let's put login. And let's resize it. Bold, let's put in bold, let's resize to maybe 14. Let's oh, we have some technical issues there. Change this and so this is the 6, let's do this. So 6. And the second width is 6. Okay, there. And then let's put it right there. Okay. Let's find that. Then let's change it into color white. So right here, we're gonna start doing the resize it. So something like then next is so let's edit the ratios like that. Okay. Next is Next is the or. So let's put the line first. We change it to gray. No. Gray. Something like that. And put the text here. And set or. And you change it to this is 2 and the size is 210. Alright. Then let's copy the line and paste it to the another side. Alright, that's too far. That's the amount of that. Then next is we're gonna put the continue with Google. So right here. So let's put continue. Continue with Google. So that. So we're gonna change that into seeming bold with maybe just that. Now let's put it in so it's the same as others. Maybe let's put it into them also. Actually that's enough. Okay. I mean 12 is enough. That will not be this. Then let's find the Google icon. Search. Google icon. So let's pick this and copy. Then back the app. Then let's paste the icon, size it to your desired size. I want it something like that. Put it there. Then next is the apple. Continue with apple. So let's copy that and right there. Then let's change the text to apple. Okay. Then let's find apple logo. Apple. Let's pick the first one. And I will let's try this one. Okay, let's pick the first one and copy. Then back the app. And paste. Same as I did. Resize it to your desired size. So we're gonna zoom that out. 34, 33. So let's see the size first. So that. So since we're done that, next is we're gonna add this one. Add the last one. So let's move on to the text and don't count. so, wait. Let's separate the two and change maybe that there. Then add another one here and say sign up. Okay, let's change it to bold and maybe cloud. Right. Then since we're already done with the this one, so let's start to resize it. Size our put it into the right size to the margin. Okay. Next is we're gonna cancel the trim out and start putting the stroke. Like that one. Okay. Let's add the. Let's just edit it later. Then let's add the stroke. So let's continue the stroke and like that one. Then so since we're done there, we're gonna stay here and watch this. Okay. Then we're gonna change the stroke into the color of gray. So something like that, and same as this. We're gonna change the color into something as that. Same as this. Actually, just copy the color. Do the same as this one. I know. Wait, which one? Copy this and put it right there. C4, C1, C1. Just type that. Since I don't know what to type. C4, C1, C1. Okay. Then there, same as, let's just, here, let's just change the opacity and something like that. So here, let's start to change the color. Okay, let's just off the color. Let's just turn off the color completely. So we know. Okay, we are done there. Off. There. So next is this one. So like I said earlier, we're gonna change this into different color. So now we're gonna change it to something like this one. Something bright, like that one. So let's copy that and paste it to this one. Okay. Same as color. Then let's start to resize this one. Okay. Then the corner. I think that's enough. And let's off. No. Let's off one and add a stroke. We'll just C4, C1, C1. that. Then let's remove the opacity. Let's same as this. So this 30%. Let's put it right there. 30%. 30%. Then we need to C4, C1, C1. Then let's use this one as well. We're gonna change the opacity into 30%. After that, we're gonna off the color of this one. And this still we're gonna off the color. There's one. We're gonna off the color. Okay. Let's off the color of that and change that to black. No, not something black, but C4, C4, C1, 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 something like that. Let's resize it, change the color for C4, C1, C1, same as this. Change the color, C4, C1, C1, and adjust the sizing. So let's adjust. Okay. Then same as there. Same as that. Next is let's turn off this color. Let's turn blue. 1, 2. Let's turn first. Then let's turn off the color. Same as this one. Let's turn it to turn it to black. Then this one is a different color. We're gonna choose the different one. So let's just choose the color for this. Choose the color for this. Do this one. Okay. Now they're the same, and let's turn the color that. So since we're already done, so here is it. Now the next thing is we're gonna turn off the color this one, this one, and for the last. So here is the final look of no. Let's I'm gonna change I didn't turn on. I forgot to add the no, let's find it. So maybe something right here. Let's find the one we're looking for. No. Okay, this one. It's not. Let's turn up that and let's add the stroke. Let's change the sizes. I thought we were done, but I was wrong. We are not still done. And change the stroke into C4, C1, C1. Then let's resize it. Something like that. Next, this one too. Okay. Then add a stroke. change the color, C4, C1, C1. And let's choose sizes. Okay, let's just what choose 10, we choose. Let's select this and put it in 10. So there. Um, so there. So this is the final look of the login form that we created. So yeah, with the required margin and spacing that was in the instructions. So here's it. This is the final look of our login form. So since we are done, thank you for watching, and I hope you learn and enjoy. Uh, I hope you learn something from this and start designing your web or your application design for your future project. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye, everyone. Thank you for watching.